Hello and welcome. My name is Sunshine Amos, the CEO and Project Manager, Sunshine Resources. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Tangerine Air Freshener at home. But before we do that, if you're new to this channel, I suggest you hit the subscription button so you get posted of all our videos and resources each time we upload them. Now let's go through the safety precautions you will take as you do this preparation. Avoid direct contact of chemicals with the skin or eyes. Keep all chemicals out of reach of children and do not taste any chemical. Tangerine air freshener, which is made from sweet smelling aroma of the tangerine fruit, can be made from the following materials. These are Texapon, tangerine essential oil, also known as perfume, ethanol, menthol, whitener, and color. We also need about 5 liters of water in this preparation. Now let's establish the quantity of materials that can produce 5 liters of tangerine air freshener. Texapon 100 gram, tangerine essential oil 100 ml, ethanol 250 ml, menthol crystals a tablespoon, whitener 250 ml, color 2 tablespoons, and water 5 liters. Now these are the materials. This is Texapon. This is tangerine essential oil, which is the active ingredient in this preparation. This is menthol crystal, and this is whitener. This is ethanol, and this is the color we're going to use. Just like I said earlier, we need about 5 liters of clean water. Now the first thing we're going to do is to dissolve the menthol crystals in the ethanol. Dissolve the menthol crystals in the ethanol. Now stir the solution thoroughly until all the menthol crystals are dissolved in the ethanol. Now put the menthol and ethanol solution aside. Now get a small container and add Texapon into it. Add a small quantity of water into it and stir. Stir the solution until all the Texapon jelly completely dissolves in the water. Please note that the dissolution of Texapon in water takes quite some time to dissolve, so be patient as you stir it vigorously to ensure that the Texapon jelly dissolves in the water. Now after dissolving the Texapon in water, now add the ethanol and menthol crystal solution and continue stirring. Add the tangerine essential oil to it and continue stirring. At this point, you can add your whitener to the solution. Now you can add your color to it and stir the solution properly. Stir the solution so that you have a homogeneous solution. Ladies and gentlemen, the air around here is really fresh by the fragrance coming from the solution. Now the menthol and the ethanol solution has the ability to amplify the aroma from the tangerine perfume. Now you can add more water to top it up to 5 liters. And so that is it, ladies and gentlemen. Our tangerine air freshener is ready. So thank you very much for watching, and God bless you. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can visit our website on www.sunshineresources.org.ng. You can visit our YouTube channel on youtube.com/c/Sunshine Resources SRTV. You can also follow us on our Facebook page on Sunshine Resources. Thank you very much for watching, and God bless you.